Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to view your account balance on the simple mobile app in 2025. It's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste much time with this one at all. I'm just gonna give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. Now the first step, of course, is going to be to log into the simple mobile app using your email address and password. So go ahead and open the simple mobile app on your mobile device and log into your account using your email address and your password. Next, you're going to click on the account button that's in the bottom navigation bar, and then you're going to select account balance from the drop down menu. There you can now view your current account balance, as well as to view your transaction history, including recent deposits and withdrawals. You can also just filter your transaction by date or by category or by amount if you want to have that. Simple offers the chance to do that, so you can take advantage of that. That's pretty much it on how to view your account balance on the simple mobile app in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.